Good evening and welcome to today's tutorial. Today we want to go through the features of Pixellab, which will enable us to be able to carry out designs. So now let's open our Pixellab application. I click on Debug. Now once you open your Pixellab, this is the debug page that you are going to be having. Now let's go through some of the features now. So when you start from the down here, the downside here, you see my projects. That's where your project will be saved. You can see my previous projects now, so you can just name them. So when you look at this now, these are some other suggestions by Pixellab application for designing. As you can you see? So you can just edit. But in design now, we are not going with any of these suggestions. So we want to learn how to design ourselves from start to finish. So I'm going to click on Debug now to bring us back to Debug. Can you see? If you study very well, you see that we have some options down here. You can see this is the first one, and that is what brings you to your Debug page. So once you click on once you click on this A beside, you can see, then we have this third one, we have the fourth one, and the last one. So now, let's click on the first icon. Can you see? So this should be your debug page. Then let's move to the letter page now. So here now, this is where you control what is being written here, the text. So when you click on edit, you see, you can remove this and add a new letter. Remove that and add new words. Read me. Then you come here and click on OK here at the top here. So this other side is for changing it to capital letter and small letter. This other one here, and this bin icon is for delete. So when I click on it, can you see it becoming capital letter? That's capital letter T, and the other small one. Can you see? So then once you click OK, let me change to capital letter. Then I click OK at the side here. Can you see? It's becoming read me. Here now, we did edit. Then the other side now is the styles. So we are not going to be using this very much now, so let's just leave that. You can see some samples here. I don't want to use anyone here, but we are not using this, so let's forget about that. Move here. This other one is to delete the text here. Then we have copy. Once you click on copy, you will see that it's going to copy. Can you see? Click on copy again, third one. Click on copy again, fourth one. Then here is to undo what you have selected, so you can remove them. And we also have delete here to remove directly. So don't forget, if you want to highlight this, you tap on it. If you want it not to be highlighted, you tap the screen. Can you see? So now let me tap on it. Continue descending to front to back because of our design. We'll be working on that. Here is the positions. You can move it this side, you can move it this side, up and downwards. Then you press mark. You have relative position. This one is for positioning, the center alignment. This for the right alignment, the left, the center, and here down, up, center. You can see. So here is the size. Next one here is for the size. So you can increase the size or reduce. Can you see? So that's that. Then we have padding. Can you see? Padding, right padding. And we also have the color. If you want to change the color, you can see color here. So the color can be in two forms. We have a black color, white color. Then we have gradient, where you can change the color to any color you like. So now let's go through this. let's assume you want to change this now to a gradient color. You'll be clicking on this plus icon here. Once you click on the plus icon, can you see? You can see that we have some color formats here. Can you see them up here? So if you want it to fall in the middle, click the middle. Can you see? You want it to be at the left hand side. You want it to be up. That means the white part to be up and the darker part to be down. You can also use this to adjust. Can you see? To adjust. Can you see? So then the other one is how to change the color itself. To change the color itself, now you click on this color at the corner here. Can you see? If you notice this now, you would see that we are having a color wheel here. Then we are having a little tiny circle here. We have a circle here, then we have one here. So the last one up here, this with the color. So here now, we move to white here, and here we move towards the color here. This one deals with the thickness of your color, while this one deals with the transparency. This one is controlling the thickness, and this one is controlling the color. So that's that. And now let's change the color. You are going to move this now to the color you prefer. Let's say I'm using this. I'm moving it to red. Can you see? So this one now deals with the thickness. You can see now, you can see it here now that this moving towards red. Can you see? Move to white here, and here we move towards the color here. This one deals with the thickness of your color, while this one deals with the transparency. So now you can make the red more thicker. You can see it's going back to black. So that's that. Then here now you can make it transparent. So now you can click on it. Okay. Can you see? The side here is a little bit white. Then the side here is transparent red. So you can change the mode now to middle. Can you see? To this side, to this side. So once you are done, you can click OK. See OK here. Click OK. Can you see that is already having a effect on our readme? Then you come here and click mark. So this one is not bold enough now. You need to move to font. So here also we have our texture. In the course of the lessons, we'll be going through this one after the other. But one thing you need to understand is this style and font is also very important. Click on font. Can you see? So yeah, my font. Then we have fonts that you will download online also. Come to this side now. Can you see? Here are the fonts I downloaded. So now you can use any of these, or you use from the fonts that are already on Pixellab. So I'll be picking one from the Pixellab. Let's want to pick this, and you see that it's already changing up here. So you press OK. Can you see? So that's that. Let's come to the middle here. I'm going to tap the screen. I come to the middle. So here in the middle is for importing pictures and images. So can you see? Here are my images now. So you can import any of them. So that's that. Let's say I want to bring this now. So you want to adjust it, you move here to adjust. Let me adjust it downwards. Yeah. Then you want to make it to flip this side. You press this, can you see? You want to make it to flip the other side. Flip downward, flip upwards. And we also have some automatic shapes here. But I'm using these things here to adjust. Yeah. So I think that's all for that. Then if you want to make it in a circle form, click on this, can you see? So to make it in circle form. So that's for circle, but we are not using circle actually. So this for rotating also. And let me come back to this. So I'm going to remove it. When you click on it, it becomes circle. When you tap it again, it removes. Then I'm going to adjust again, and I mark. Can see mark here? I mark it. So can you see? Here is it. So what we also have this is the tool for drawing. We'll be discussing that in the course of our lecture. You can see it says you didn't draw anything. So this is our shape. Click on this and you see you have lots of shape here. Here is for the shape. So here is for making it round. Can you see? So click on that. Then I think this is Bezier tool. We discussed that also during the course of our class. Then the last one we have here is this icon, which is this. Going to this last one. We discussed that in the during the course of our designs too. I don't want the video to be too long. So here now, which is this second to the last, is for changing the colors of your background. So you can see when I tap on color here, we have two options here: colors and gradient. Colors is for the red plain color, whereby gradient is for mixture of colors. So, and I've taught us how to get gradient just now with the text that we did there, as you can see on screen. So now let's move to this. Can you see the background is changing to white, to black, to this, and this, and so on. So I'm going to be making my background black. Yeah, and you see it's working with the design now. So that's a color on that design too. So you want your you want the background to be transparent. You just click on transparent. Can you see? So if you download it now, this now will be automatically in PNG, no background. So I'm going to return it back. This for image size. This for images. We discuss all this during the course of our lesson. This from gallery and importing from camera. That should be all. And before we end, let's discuss this up here now. Here we said it's for delete, and the other one beside it here is for adjusting. You can see copy here. It's a relative position. Everything we've discussed it down there. Then here is for undo. It's for undo. We don't have a redo option here. So this is for zoom. Here now is for zoom. In case your letters is too small, you just tap on it, then you drag it out. Can you see? To the part that you want to design. So drag it in again and tap it again to return. So this is for properly checking the alignment of your design. Can you see? Can you see the net appearing? So that's what that's for. Then this last one here are for the options. So here now you can match your elements together. We'll be discussing that too. So I think this one text, everything is done also. For this plus sign at the top here, then we also have this icon for save, and it's mostly used, you can see, when you are done with your design. Let's see, this is for sharing. It also work for saving also, you can see, but make sure you save before you share. So that's what this icon is for. Then this is for quotes. So that's, you can see different quotes already on our Pixellab. And the last one here, the last one at this corner, you can see, is also you see export here, using from gallery, full screen, and the others. So we are not really going to be using this. So now let's assume that I'm done with this design now, I am going to be clicking on save here. I hope you're following me. So when you click on save, don't forget that you need to firstly save as a project. Just save as project up here. Click on save as project. Your entire project name. Let's call this Pixellab features. Pixellab features. So click on OK, and you now proceed. You click on it again, then you click on save as image. You bring it here. Don't forget that once you are designing on this, especially when you want to print it out, you need to click on this default, and that's under quality. Click on default here, and you see you choose ultra. I see ultra here. Click on ultra, then you click on save to gallery, or you click share if you want to transfer it to someone. So I'm clicking on save to gallery now, and you see it's image saved. And once you go to your gallery, you should be able to find it there. I'm moving to gallery now, images. Can you see it? So I hope you've been able to get this. In our next lesson, our next practical, we'll be discussing how to design fully. Good luck, everyone.